My name is Ashley Scherrman, and I am a second shift floor supervisor at Raining Rose. Raining Rose began as a small operation that produced solely lip balm and has expanded to manufacturing a wide array of natural body care products, including lotions, sunscreen, soaps, hair products, hand sanitizer, and hundreds of flavors of lip balm. I was fortunate to witness the growth of the company from approximately 20 employees to the over 300 that we have today. As supervisor, my job duties include ongoing training and coaching with current team members to help them achieve their goals, adding new members to our second shift family, communicating with sales and other departments to ensure we meet scheduled shift dates, and making sure that my team members have the resources that they need to be successful. I began working in the department that I am now one of the supervisors of as a casual worker during my senior year of high school. I was also attending Kirkwood to take some of my intro college classes during this time, and I appreciated the flexibility of the classes and work schedule to gain experience in the manufacturing world while earning a paycheck to begin living on my own. The most rewarding part of my job is my team. They are some of the most hardworking people that I've had the opportunity to work alongside, and they have taught me so much. Most of my team has been hired within the past few years, and helping them to set new goals, achieve those goals and more, and move into the positions that they are so deserving of is the best part of my job.